Hi guys, it's Dan from Community Shop here. Today we're going to show you how to make a quiche. Now you're going to want to get some short crust pastry and put it into a well buttered pastry case. Then we're going to break 4 eggs into a jug just like this. Now I wish I had the ability to crack an egg like this. It's very impressive, so kudos to David or any other chef who can do that. It's a very cool skill to have. And then once you've got all 4 eggs cracked into this large jug, you are going to whisk it until they are well beaten and then add your milk in. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to season nicely using salt and pepper and give that a whisk back in to make sure it's nice and well mixed. And now you're going to want to put your ingredients into the bottom of the pastry case. Now depending on what ingredients you've got, you might want to fry them off first. So we've obviously got some pre-cooked bacon. I say pre-cooked because we cooked it beforehand. We've got some onions that we also fried off ever so slightly beforehand, because if you don't fry them off first, they do let all the water out when you just put raw onions into the pastry. And you don't really want a soggy bottom to your quiche, do you? And then as you can see, David's adding a nice layering of cheese, because who doesn't want cheese, onion and bacon in a quiche? Absolutely delicious. So you can probably guess what we're about to do next. David's got a very nice knack to this. He's going to open the oven up, he's going to take the tray over to the oven, and he's going to take his jug over. And the reason he does that is because if he pours it before he carries it, it's going to be a real nightmare to then slide into the oven. So he lines his tray up with the oven, he then pours his egg mix over the top until it nicely covers his filling, which is cheese, bacon and onion. He's then going to close the oven and cook it for around 35-40 minutes on 180 degrees Fahrenheit fan, and until it's golden brown on the top, and you will see it looks just like this. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's a delicious recipe. Have a great day.